Hey crafters! I'm Patricia and welcome to RaniCrafts DIY. Have you ever thought you could make a flexible ruler out of paper? Today, I'll show you how to create fun, colorful, and bendable rulers using simple supplies you already have at home. If you enjoy creative tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your crafty friends. You can also leave a comment. I love reading what you think. And if you'd like to support my work even more, you can send a super thanks. It really helps. Now, let's get crafting. So much for crafting with me today. I hope you had fun making your own flexible ruler. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow crafters. And if you want to support the channel, you can leave a comment or send a super thanks. It means a lot. See you in the next video, and until then, stay creative.